Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhamad Faris bin Shamsuddin and I am from 5 Amanah. Today, I am going to talk about Cartesian Diver. But before that, let's talk about Archimedes Principle. So, what is Archimedes Principle? Archimedes Principle states that an object which is partially or fully immersed in a fluid will experience buoyant force equal to the weight of fluid displaced. The person in the picture is Archimedes. He was a Greek mathematician and is regarded as one of the leading scientists in classical antiquity. What is Cartesian Diver? Cartesian Diver or Cartesian Devil is a classic science experiment which demonstrates the principle of buoyancy, which is Archimedes' principle, and the ideal gas law. So, Cartesian Diver is not a device or transportation. It is a model to show how buoyant force works. Fun fact, Cartesian Diver is named after a French mathematician and philosopher, René Descartes, who lived from 1596 until 1650. So these are the materials needed to make Cartesian Diver. Please note that this is one of many ways to make Cartesian Diver, so you may find other materials used to make it. We need 1 liter plastic bottle, a dropper, and cold water. The first step is to pour the water into the 1 liter bottle. Next, fill the dropper with enough water so that it just barely floats in the water. Last but not least, add the dropper and fill the bottle completely with water. After that, put the cap on. And there we have it, Cartesian Diver. So let me explain the mechanism of the Cartesian Diver. Please consider that I am using a dropper, not the one shown in the picture. But the outcome is still the same. So I'm going to call it dropper. So, as we can see in the first picture, the dropper is floating on the surface of the water. At this time, the total weight of the dropper and the weight of the water in it is equal to the buoyant force. Then, as we look at the second picture, we put some pressure on the wall of the plastic bottle, causing the water to be pushed into the dropper. This causes the weight of water in the dropper to increase. As we can see, the dropper is falling. Let's look at the third picture. The total weight of the dropper and the weight of the water in it is greater than the buoyant force. A resultant force acting downwards is produced and causes the dropper to sink at the base of the bottle. That's all from me. Thank you.